There we go. Just make sure it's all in, all the way. I'll make the tongue a bit more looser for you when you're doing it yourself, Ben. If you give me a mallet, please, Ryan. I think it's somewhere around here. Just give it a bit of a slap. The gap completely closes up at the joint. And what we must do now is get all this back dead in line. Once again, tap it so that becomes spot on there. Get that spot on there and let the rest go. Almost. Down so it's all nice and feels pretty good. And then all it needs you to do now is just screw the back in. Which once again is about, I'd say, it's about sort of 20 screws. I won't put all the screws in for now, but as I'm just showing you. But you just put them all around the bottom and everywhere along there and along the division. I don't need to put them in, as I said, anyway. At this point, if you come around here, you're literally ready for the doors. But what we do is show you how to put the drawers in first. Each drawer is numbered at the back, or lettered in this case, which is A. So A will go in the unit A and B will go in the unit B. Just leave the runners like as they are. Exactly like that. And just hear the click, pull them out. Feel around, you might have to pull a little piece just to hear the click. You know they're not working. Well, mine. Need to give it a good push. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Just sometimes you have to give it a little pull forward. Unfortunately, it's very hard to see, but you'll feel it and get used to it. Right, doors. The doors, Ben, are numbered on the plates, which is off the hinge there, the butts. We just bung them on. So that says A, so it goes to A. Right.
We got it.
Got that. Stay there, Martin. Martin, lift that up so it's into the groove. Push it in a little bit, Martin, please. Slightly higher. Okay. It does a bit in there. And that'll go straight in. We'll give you the original screws when you do it, Ben, and we'll put all the pilot holes in as well, so you'll have no problems. Right, push it in a little bit, Martin, please. And once again. That's that. Can we get the other door, please, Ryan? Look at that. It's like a boxing glove. Right. It's upside down, Martin. Hinges in. You need to be quite steady on this, Ben, so you need someone who's
Steady as me.
Steady as Martin. Who hasn't got. Oops, you get out later. Right, that in there. Good, Martin, you got that?
Yep.
You open the door up a bit more for me, please, Martin. Wide open. Open the door wide open. And that makes it easier to get your screws in. And that'll do. And also, Ben, you can put your shelves where you want them on the adjustable shelf holes. And now what I'll do as well, I'll pre-mark the hole for the hanging rail, but I would imagine you'll probably put the shelf in the top there, and I'll mark the holes for the hanging rail and pre-screw them in and take them back out again. All it leaves me to do now is two more things. Put the plinth on, which is there, and once again bend their number. This one's lettered, so A over that side and B over that side. This is the only one you'll have to put a bit of glue on there, on the miters and there. They will have a block on there. And put just a dab of glue along there as well. And all it means you'll have to do is push it in place and get a bit of tape and some masking tape. If you're going to get me a bit of masking tape, Martin, please. Just to hold it so the glue goes off. So once there's glue on there, basically what you've got to do is just get this in position and tape it so the glue goes off, probably about a day. And the same on that side. What I think we've got here is the floor's a bit uneven, so we're not going to get it correctly up. Maybe not. Just like that. And also we'll have these screwed on for you as well, Ben. The block will be on there, but we'll have to take these off to transport them. So we'll just put them in a bag, but they've been already fitted, so they should line up spot onto the holes and work really well. Other than that, I think you're there. I'll put the holes in for the door as well, so all the knobs will be separate, they won't be going on the units, so you can put them on as well after. If we pull this unit out, please, Mike.
This is what we made earlier.
If you swing right round, Mike. That's better. Mike, just want to swing it out a little bit more. If you remember what I said before, when you get the doors completely white, then you know the unit's square. So what you may have to do is put a little sliver of laminate, which I'll be sending up under one of the corners just to even it up. Just put a bit of laminate under there and that will even it up. And this is what it looks like, the inside, when it's finished, minus your hanging rail, which you'll be able to put on as well. And that's about it then. So basically, I hope it all goes well. If not, give us a bell or email us, probably better to phone. And I hope it all gets there safely. Thank you then, bye.